Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE A53 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you want to open up your settings application. From here, I'm going to scroll down to storage right over here. It will load by default the devices stored, but we have this little drop down right here on this device, and we can select disk. Now I believe this is just a short version of SanDisk, as this is what I have inserted in there. Once it's in, or once we have selected that, you can now click on the three dots right at the top and select format. This will bring up a quick message: format this SD card. This SanDisk SD card needs to be formatted to... Okay, no, that's not incorrect. It doesn't need to be formatted. It's already working. But the bottom portion is the important one. So formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. So, like it says, if you keep anything on the card that you want to preserve, make a copy of it to anywhere else. Now, with that being said, we're going to select Format SD card. And there we go. It's now formatted, so we can click on Done, and the card is right away ready to be used once more. So, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.